Hi, I hope everyone has a great weekend this weekend. I'm here to talk about next week. I hope you had a chance to do Feelings Friday today. And I just made another video for Feelings Friday for next week about growing. So let me share my screen and I will show you SeeSaw. So on SeeSaw this week, we have Monday's activity. So Monday's activity is a little different. This week, we're really focusing on our creativity and imagination a little bit more. We are thinking a lot about story making. It does not mean you have to write words. But it means you might want to draw a picture to represent something you understand or something you want to say. So I would say this week starts to kind of reflect on what we're talking about in Feelings Fridays a little bit in relation to plants. But there's also some math activities and other activities. So in morning meeting on Monday, we're going to be reading a book called An Orange in January, which really highlights why plants are important, which is our question of the week. Why are plants so important? So we're going to be thinking about that. And you can bring an orange to morning meeting. And yeah, that would be great. Also, if you have a picture of a favorite plant, you can bring that as well. We're going to be talking about that later in the week too. If you bring a picture of a favorite plant or you draw a picture of your favorite plant. Monday, the tale of flower petals taking care of flowers. So we're going to think about how we take care of flowers. This is a a fictional story that Very wrote with her class that she used to teach a long time ago. It's a class book that she shared with all her classes, and it's really lovely. It's not really about planting, but it is about a flower and how we can tell stories about different plants. And we'll be making a story later in the week. So this is just about watching the video, reading the book, and maybe thinking about the book. And you can reflect on it by drawing a picture of what came up for you when listening to that book. On Tuesday, there's a math activity about pollen planting. It's a video with Miss Stephanie. And Melissa will also do this in the meeting. It's using craft materials like cupcake liners. And if you read the description and labeling the liners, you could use anything though. And then manipulate little pieces of paper or little pom-poms to do a counting game and a sorting game. And you can do that on your own and with Miss Melissa in the meeting, or either one. On Wednesday, you're going to create your own story about a plant. There's a video here that Very did about making your own garden story about your garden. It could also be just about an individual plant, whatever you'd like. And you can also do it about the plant you drew for Monday's meeting. And just so you know, making a story means drawing some pictures, and maybe your family helps you write the words if you want to add some words to it. Maybe you practice some of the letters and some of the words, but it's perfectly fine if an adult helps you write the words you want to say in your story that go with your beautiful pictures. Thursday, you're going to be an artist and you're going to make your own sunflower. This is a video about Vincent van Gogh that Kate did. She also reads a nonfiction story, which is linked in the calendar under Thursday about sunflowers. So you can think about how to draw them realistically, how to draw them like an artist, and you can draw them in any way you'd like. And that's it for this week. And then we have Feelings Friday. We are growing. I'm going to read another book. And we're going to talk a little bit about what we do while we grow. This is a really funny book that you might recognize from last year. And you can think about your special, unique personality as you grow, like these little blades of grass. Again, I hope you have a great weekend, and please reach out if you have any questions. We are really looking forward to Picture Day on April 30th and seeing all our remote families there. And I'll talk to everyone soon. Have a great weekend. Oh, and you should know also, I am out Monday and Tuesday, so I will not be available for Monday's meeting. So Miss Ellen will be there too with Miss Very. And as always, Miss Melissa will be there Tuesday. So I really hope you have a great start to the week. Thanks.